Another common brain injury is Wernicke's aphasia, which generally occurs when a cerebral artery gets blocked and damages the temporal gyrus on the left hemisphere. Damage to this area of the brain leaves subjects unable to produce understandable speech, despite an intact ability to form words in syntactic structure. Interestingly, these individuals seem to lack the ability to perceive the intelligibility of their own language or self-reflect on their understanding of what's been asked of them. So while their ability to construct words and sentences remains intact, they do not seem to be aware of the distortions in meaning presented in their speech. This stands in stark contrast to Broca's Aphasiatics, who can no longer correctly form the words necessary for fluent speech and are deeply aware of their expressive shortcomings. Wernicke's and Broca's aphasia show there are separate functions related to the ability to produce language stored in different areas across the brain, and that the human ability for language is not a unitary function of just one area of the brain. However, I'd also like to point out that it demonstrates this unusual quality of certain kinds of neurological insult, which is it produces effects and problems that the individual is unaware of. In these cases, the lesions produce more than just an inability to perform a given task. It obliterates the individual's ability to perceive the skill's existence or even be consciously aware that there is a problem. This is an impairment called anosognosia, and this will be the topic of our next video.